What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have vzn118492. Now the size of these is 22 by 9, the offset is 18, and the bolt pattern is 5 by 139.7, and your camber is 77.8. And these are also matte black. Now these are our TRX style matte black rims, by the way. Now let's go ahead and open them up and show you what they look like. Now, of course, we do a couple different things to ensure your rim arrives safely, starting off with this cardboard insert to protect the face as well as the edges of the rim. We also do put it in a plastic bag to protect it from any dust and debris, as well as a felt cover that is reusable if you want to put it on your stock rims to protect them. We also do include a plastic edge guard and just a little bit of foam for that extra added security. And here we go. Now we can finally see the rim. And this is one of our 6-spoke rims, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We also do have the vicrez center cap in the middle. Now, these are similar to the TRX beadlock rims as well, which I do believe we have some of, if you want to look those up on the Vicrez website as well. Now, that's pretty much it for this rim. If you want to see more videos just like this one, or more rims just like this one, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and make sure to like and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.